Amazing, huh? Indoor herb grower. It's a great machine. Add water here. Shows you the level of water. And it just keeps growing. We harvest it about every week and it comes back this big. There's a special food we use. And we put that in about once a week, a couple squirts. This is the original food that came with the grower. And you can order it online, of course. But you put a squirt in of each one when you add water, and it just grows like crazy. These get real bushy. I cut them off, put them in a dehydrator, and store them in a jar ready to use. But about another week, it fills up again. And so this thing gets real bushy. I highly recommend it for any gourmet. There's all kinds of things you can grow in this. Right now we're growing herbs, but you can choose what you want.